Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually going to be a talk through makeup tutorial. I don't really have the opportunity to do much of these because my family's always home and they make a lot of noise. So yeah, I tried it today because they're all out. So I did this very like natural makeup look. It's glowy. There's not too much going on with the eyes. I got my new favorite lashes on. I have lip gloss, not a liquid lipstick, which is very weird for me because I always wear liquid lipsticks, but I'm slowly getting into glosses. I'm rambling right now, so if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. I'm going to be using my NYX eyeshadow base in the color Skin Tone, and I'm going to use that to prime my eyelids. I'm just going to blend it out with my finger, and then I'm just going to set my primer with my Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. Okay, so I'm going to go into my Morphe 350 palette, and I'm going to use this color, this color right here, to put into my crease as my transition shade. And I'm using my Morphe E23 brush. So now I'm gonna go into this light brown color right here and put that in my crease just to deepen it up a little bit more. Just gonna blend this crease color out. I'm just gonna be using this e.l.f. crease brush just to do that. So now I'm gonna go into this color right here and put that in my crease just to deepen it up more, since the color I used before didn't do a great job of that. And I'm using my Morphe M169 brush. So now I'm just gonna blend out this dark brown shade that I put in my crease, and I'm using the brush that I first used. It's from Walmart, and I'm gonna use that to blend the color out. Okay, so now I'm just gonna cut my crease using my eyeshadow base, and yeah. So to set the eyeshadow base, I'm actually going to be using this color from the palette and put that all over my eyelids. I'm actually going to go back into my Morphe palette and go back in with this color that we used here for our crease, and I'm using my Morphe M506 brush just to clean up the areas that I didn't go to when I'm doing putting the lid color on my eye. So now I'm just gonna blend this out, and then we're gonna move on to eyeliner. Okay, so now that we're done with my liner, I'm gonna pop on some lashes. I'm actually gonna be using my new lashes. I got these KOKO lashes. I got Goddess, KOKO, and Queen Bee. So I think I'm gonna use KOKO lashes in Goddess today. I'm so excited because these are my first lashes that are not from the drugstore. So I'm gonna pop those on off camera, and they'll be here in... Okay, so now I'm gonna move into primer and foundation. So to prime, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Baby Skin, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face. I honestly love these lashes. I don't know why I never bought them sooner. They are amazing. They make this look so much better. And I don't know. And they're not like too dramatic or like too heavy. They're just perfect. Now I see why everyone loves them. I definitely need to get me some more. Even though that was not good English, but I need to get some more lashes. I think this is definitely replacing my Kiss number 11 lashes. These are Goddess. Yeah, I love these. My new favorite. So foundation. Okay, I think I'm gonna use my Covergirl Outlast, and I might mix in a little bit of my NYX foundation with it. Pro Concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze to highlight my face. I'm not going to use too much of this because I find that I tend to look too washed out because I tend to highlight too much.
We fall out of love like shooting stars, came crashing down. Building back up again now. Say your heart, say your mind, say all you hide. I won't let you go.
Now I'm just gonna set my under eyes and wherever I highlighted, and I'm not gonna bake because I find that it gives me a little bit of flashback because I put too much product on. But yeah, just setting underneath my eyes, my nose, and my chin. So now I'm gonna contour my face using my new favorite CoverGirl eye enhancer. It's a single eyeshadow in brown Smolder, and I'm gonna be using my KOKO contour brush. Gonna go back and do my under eyes. I'm just gonna smoke it out a little bit. So I'm gonna go back into this color right here and just smoke out my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna put some bottom mascara on. And the mascara I'm gonna be using is my L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara. I'm going to highlight my face. And I'm actually gonna go back to my Anastasia Glow Kit in Sun Dipped. I haven't used this in a while because I've been obsessing over my Becca Prismatic Amethyst highlighter. That thing is so beautiful, but it's not a natural highlight, but who cares? It's so pretty. So I'm just gonna use bronze today. I was gonna get the Nicole Guerrero highlighter, but I decided against it because I don't wear makeup on a daily basis. So I feel like it would have been a waste. Like if I do end up wearing makeup, I just have like eyebrows, maybe some mascara, maybe some eyeliner and then mascara, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm just gonna highlight my Cupid's bow.
We're building back up again now. I see your heart, see your mind, see all you hide. I won't let you go.
I'm gonna line my lips with my Annabelle lip liner in Espresso.
I see your heart, see your mind, see all you hide. I won't let you go. Can't let them fall. When you lose yourself, I'll be right beside you.
And then I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible 8-Hour Pro Gloss in Barely Nude. I think I'm gonna go over this with NYX Butter Gloss in Ginger Snap. And that's the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. I think I said that already. Follow me on social media so you can see what makeup looks I'll be doing in the future and stuff like that. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Came crashing down.